The ETF world is massive. Today, there are thousands of funds competing for investors' money, each promising better growth, higher returns, or unique opportunities. But despite all these choices, only a small group has managed to become the giants of the market. And their success isn't just because of luck. It's because each one has a powerful advantage that makes it incredibly difficult for competitors to match. These ETFs have built a reputation by doing something better than the rest. Today, we're revealing the one key strength that makes each of them stand out and why millions of investors choose them. ETF number 1, SMH. SMH's biggest strength is semiconductors. Nearly every major technological advancement depends on semiconductors. Artificial intelligence, cloud computing, smartphones, electric vehicles, and data centers all rely on chips. Investors love SMH because it focuses directly on the industry powering the future. ETF number 2, VGT. VGT's biggest strength is technology exposure. Technology has been one of the greatest wealth creators in modern history, and VGT gives investors concentrated exposure to some of the world's most dominant tech companies. For many investors, it represents a bet on innovation itself. ETF number 3, VOO. VOO's biggest strength is simplicity. This ETF owns 500 of America's largest and most powerful companies, giving investors exposure to businesses like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, and many others. It has turned countless investors into millionaires simply by tracking the S&P 500 and letting compounding do the work. ETF number 4, SCHD. SCHD's biggest strength is dividend growth. Unlike many income-focused funds, SCHD focuses on high-quality companies with strong records of increasing their dividends over time. Investors love it because it combines passive income with long-term wealth creation. ETF number 5, QQQ. QQQ's biggest strength is growth. This ETF is heavily concentrated in innovative technology companies such as Tesla, Broadcom, Meta, and Netflix, companies with massive technological advantages. While volatility can be higher, investors are willing to accept the risk because of its potential for superior long-term returns. ETF number 6, JEPI. JEPI's biggest strength is monthly income. Designed to generate substantial cash flow, JEPI has become one of the most popular income ETFs in the world. Investors love the consistent monthly distributions that can be spent or reinvested. ETF number 7, VXUS. VXUS's biggest strength is international diversification. Rather than betting entirely on the United States, VXUS provides exposure to thousands of companies across developed and emerging markets around the world. Investors use it to diversify globally and participate in growth wherever it happens. ETF number 8, VTI. VTI's biggest strength is diversification. With exposure to thousands of U.S. companies ranging from megacaps to small businesses, VTI captures the entire American stock market in a single investment. Many investors view it as the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it ETF. ETF number 9, SCHG. SCHG's biggest strength is efficient growth. It focuses on large-cap growth companies while maintaining lower costs than many competing growth funds. Investors love SCHG because it delivers strong growth exposure without unnecessary complexity. ETF number 10, VNQ. VNQ's biggest strength is real estate. This ETF allows investors to own a diversified portfolio of real estate assets without the headaches of being a landlord. Through office buildings, apartments, warehouses, healthcare facilities, and other properties, VNQ provides exposure to one of the world's most important asset classes. Each ETF is uniquely designed with different purposes, giving investors different ways to work toward their financial goals. Which ETF is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more ETF content.